This is a question from computer networks. Assuming that for a given network layer implementation, connection establishment overhead is 100 bytes and the disconnection overhead is 28 bytes. What would be the minimum size of the packet the transport layer needs to keep up if it wishes to implement a datagram service above the network that needs to keep its overhead to a minimum of 12.5%? Ignore the transport layer overhead, and 4 options are given. So let's see the data. Suppose size of the datagram payload is X. Size of datagram payload is X bytes. X bytes. Connection establishment overhead. Connection establishment. It takes an overhead of 100 bytes. Similarly, disconnection overhead. It takes how many bytes? 28 bytes. And the minimum overhead that it wants to keep is 12.5%. So total overhead is equal to 100 plus 28, which is equal to 128 bytes. Now, since transport layer wants to keep a minimum overhead of 12.5%, let's calculate. 12.5% of X would be 128 bytes. So we can rewrite it as 12.5 by 100 into X is equal to 128 bytes. So rewriting X is equal to 128 into 100 divided by 12.5, which is equal to 1024 bytes. And let's see the options. Option D, 1024 bytes is the correct answer here.